Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best flip cooker is probably one of the most versatile kitchen gadgets you can own, allowing you to effortlessly flip pancakes, eggs, burgers, and more with unparalleled ease and precision. Imagine achieving perfectly golden brown results every single time, without the usual kitchen chaos or the risk of unevenly cooked food, making your breakfast and meal preparations not just simpler but also significantly more enjoyable and efficient for busy mornings or quick weeknight dinners. Number 5. SUSTEAS Stainless Steel Whistling Tea Kettle. Experience the convenience of our ergonomically designed handle with a push-button mechanism. It makes pouring easy and safe, thanks to effective insulation that keeps the handle cool. This kettle boasts a large capacity, perfect for making tea for everyone. Its loud whistle ensures you'll hear it from anywhere, preventing overboiling and enhancing safety. Our innovative 5-layer encapsulated bottom heats water quickly and efficiently. It's compatible with all stovetops, so you can enjoy your favorite hot beverage in no time. Crafted with a thickened body for superior quality, this kettle comes with a heat-resistant mitt and is elegantly packaged. It makes a perfect gift for anyone who loves tea or coffee. From a premium brand, this kettle is made with safe, BPA-free materials. We offer a 1-year assurance, so you can purchase and use it with complete confidence. To ensure its longevity, we recommend using low to medium heat when boiling water. This prevents overheating and maintains its beautiful finish. What we like? This kettle features an ergonomic handle and a push-button mechanism for safe and easy pouring. Its large capacity is perfect for families, and a loud whistle ensures you'll never forget your water is boiling. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to boil water for multiple servings, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The handle stays cool and feels comfortable to hold, even when the kettle is full. I also like that it comes with a silicone pinch mitt. It's a small detail but very useful. The handle stays cool, and the included anti-scald glove is a thoughtful addition that gives me extra peace of mind when pouring hot water. The bottom is a triple layer of stainless steel, so it holds up to heat. It works well, stays shiny, washes well and is easy to clean. Number 4. Nuwave Bravo XL Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. Introducing the Nuwave Bravo XL, your all-in-one countertop solution. It's a grill, griddle, air fryer, and so much more, designed to simplify your cooking. Need to tweak the heat or cooking time? No problem. You can easily make adjustments at any point during the cooking process for perfect results every time. Achieve exact cooking temperatures from 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, in precise 5-degree increments. Our advanced heating system ensures consistent temperature without cycling. Experience perfect cooking with linear T technology. It continuously monitors and adjusts the temperature every second, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. Take control with dual heat zones. Independently customize the top and bottom heaters along with the convection fan for truly customized, surround cooking. Achieve your desired doneness effortlessly. The integrated smart thermometer monitors your food's internal temperature and automatically stops cooking when it's ready. What we like? This appliance offers unparalleled versatility with its 12-in-1 functions and precise temperature control. The integrated smart thermometer ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. If you love to experiment in the kitchen and want one device that can do it all, from air frying to toasting and grilling, this is the ultimate countertop companion. What people say? The grilled asparagus recipe is an excellent one to start with. My asparagus came out wonderfully, but I found it is good to keep an eye on doneness until I understand how this oven works. After the asparagus, I tried salmon with the same method and it was perfect. As were the hamburgers and then meatloaf I tried next. I really like the grill, it cooks quickly and efficiently. I suggest learning how to adjust the temp of the upper and lower elements. That is important if a food seems to be cooking too fast on top or on bottom. This small oven is great. It cooks quickly and is very functional. I really like the option to differentiate the heat on top and bottom heating elements. Number 3. Dash Family Size Egg Bite Maker. Make protein-packed bites for the whole family in just minutes. Its large capacity and space-saving design fit perfectly on your countertop. Enjoy homemade egg bites and healthy snacks easily. The durable silicone cups release your creations flawlessly every time. This electric maker delivers fluffy, moist breakfast bites in minutes. It makes meal prep simple and efficient for busy mornings. Get creative with more than just breakfast. Use it to make delicious desserts, mini cheesecakes, or creamy custards. Gather your family for the joy of cooking and eating together. Create delicious homemade meals with ease. What we like. This maker is designed for convenience, allowing you to create up to 9 protein-packed bites in minutes. The non-stick silicone cups ensure easy release and quick cleanup. If you're a busy individual or a parent looking for a fast, healthy breakfast or snack option for the whole family, this is a must-have. What people say. The unit is not a large, cumbersome unit at all. It is the perfect size to fit inside of a cupboard. Pour water in the tray, 2 silicone cups, fill the cups, close the lid, plug in. Set the timer for 12 minutes. Done. This cooks the egg bites perfectly in 12 minutes and achieves the ideal texture, if using the correct ratio of core ingredients. Number 2. 4-cup non-stick egg pan with lid. Start your day right with this versatile egg pan. Its non-stick surface and included lid make cooking a breeze. Featuring a unique 4-hole design, you can cook multiple eggs or pancakes simultaneously. It's a fantastic time saver for busy mornings. Crafted from food-grade materials, this pan is free from harmful substances like PFOAs and PFAS. Enjoy healthy meals for your family. The non-stick coating ensures food releases easily and cleaning is a snap. Just a quick wipe is all it takes to keep it spotless. This pan is suitable for all types of stoves. For best results and to protect the coating, low heat is recommended, especially on gas stoves. Your purchase includes the egg pan with lid, a silicone spatula, and a product manual. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This pan allows you to cook up to 4 omelets or pancakes simultaneously, saving you precious time in the morning. Its non-stick coating and food-grade materials ensure healthy cooking and easy cleanup. If you enjoy making breakfast for multiple people and want a quick, efficient way to prepare perfect, uniform portions, this is the pan for you. What people say. Perfect time and non-stick. Perfect size for pancakes or each divot is great to cook 1 egg. The glass top is very necessary and fits the pan perfectly. Non-stick surface has been awesome. Very easy to clean. Can cook more than just eggs. Perfect size for sausage patties too. Also used for mini pancakes. Number 1. Eggs Rings 4-pack stainless steel egg cooking rings. Craving a delicious breakfast sandwich but short on time? These cooking rings make it simple to create perfect eggs every morning. Just preheat, crack an egg, and assemble your meal for a healthy start. Tired of messy, uneven eggs? These sturdy stainless steel rings ensure your eggs are perfectly round and look professional. They are more robust than silicone alternatives, giving you consistent results. Cooking should be comfortable and safe. The handles on these rings are designed to stay cool, making them easy to maneuver while you cook without any risk of burns. Cleanup is a breeze with these cooking rings. They are dishwasher safe and can withstand high temperatures. If you don't have a dishwasher, they are also very easy to clean by hand. These versatile rings aren't just for eggs. Use them to make perfect pancakes, crepes, or even mini burgers. They are also great for creating low-carb, bread-free egg sandwiches. What we like. These rings are crafted from durable stainless steel, ensuring perfectly round eggs every time without leaks. The cool-to-touch handles make them safe and easy to use, and they are dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. If you're aiming for consistently shaped eggs for sandwiches or breakfast platters and appreciate easy cleanup, these are a fantastic addition to your kitchen. What people say. They hold great and might leak through a little, but not bad if you pour slowly. Still need some cooking spray to prevent the egg from the stickiness a little. Product works great, easy to use and clean. We'll be purchasing the larger ones without a doubt. These are so great to make unique eggs. We use it to make our breakfast sandwiches. Very easy to clean, works well, but just make sure that the pan that you're using is flat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.